In this video, we are going to see BitQuery's PumpFun API to track migrations of PumpFun token on Radium DEX. I will add the API link in the description. You can test out the API on ide.bitquery.io. By just signing up on IDE, you will get free 10,000 points to test the APIs. Let's start with the PumpFun token migration API. You can track the following accounts with every migration. PC Mint will be the PumpFun token which is getting migrated, and all of these other addresses can be also relevant to you. And we know for a fact that this 39AZ account is the PumpFun Radium migration account, which signs the transaction for migrating the PumpFun token to Radium DEX. What happens when a token's pool is initialized on Radium? That this initialize to instruction is called basically by this 39AZ account address. So we are gonna write this query where we will get transactions where instruction is initialized to and the signer is also this 39AZ address. Select EAP. As Solana is in EAP right now, then select Solana, then select instructions. Under that, in where we will put our filters, select transaction signer. I have selected the transaction signer filter. Now also select the transaction result success to be true, as I only want to get the transactions which are successful. Now select the instruction program method is initialized to. Now the filters are done. I'll select the fields now. Select block time, then select instruction. Under that accounts, address. This is going to be an address array. Then select program. Under that select name of the program method which is getting called. Then address, then all the account names, and then the arguments. Under argument select name, type, and value. In value select all of the values. Also select the transaction signer and signature. Now change this query keyword to subscription and run this query, and you will be able to track the PumpFun token migrations to Radium DEX in real time. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.